3S, 6S. What the f have I just done? Alright y'all, so last video we changed from the original high center of gravity to the low center of gravity chassis in our 4-wheel drive slash Saphira here. And so that's what this is all here. And I kind of hinted that I've got a Max 8 and oh my god y'all, this thing is huge.
But hang on.
So we've got the original 3S here. I don't know what the original 3S KV is, but it's whatever came in the stock 3S Valenian system. This is a 2200 kV Max 8 system. And it is capable of 6S, although we don't have any 6S batteries currently. So there's a few things that I did off camera. I had noticed that our Techno RC Big Bone, can you hold that up there for us? The one that was in here, the only damage was the screw for this cover that covers it in the high center of gravity. Dude, they can't see you. There you go. This front screw took out a bunch of material, but it took a year, so that's fine.
Yeah, we got it better another half a year before this one was like worn down.
So off camera, I put a new one in there. Because it's, you know, we've done that before. Off camera, I created a loop because right now, all we have is 2S and 3S batteries, and we're not going to be able to fit more than, it's fine. We're not going to be able to fit more than one in a thing. So, I have been fiddling with this off camera, not doing any actual work, but just trying to figure out where everything's going to go. So, Dylan and I are going to get started on putting it together for y'all. Let's get to it.
Guys, but like seriously, that Hobby Wing motor is like double the size of the stock one. It's crazy.
Yeah, it's 2200 kV and it can handle 6S. So, let's get to it, y'all.
So I right now just find out that super glue, duct tape, and zip ties fix everything.
Everything.
Just wanted to let you guys know that.
I can't. Yep. Alright, y'all. That's it for part 2. We've got all the electronics in. The next video for this thing, we've still got to do the shock towers, the RPM shock towers, put the cover for the motor, and then the Pro-Line body mounts, and final review. So, one more video, y'all. Hopefully you liked it this so far. What do we need, kiddo?
Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, post on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. We've got a link to our Patreon down below. By the way, all of our links are down below. I do Twitch.
You want to know a new thing we've started?
Yeah. Actually.
TikTok! We got a TikTok.
Okay.
Yeah. I just do random funny things that just pop up, you know, whenever I'm editing videos or whatever. So, all that stuff's down below. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks, y'all. Stay tuned for part 3.